Hi guys, showed you I picked this guy up in a charity shop a little while back, paid £2 for him. Patrick Star from SpongeBob SquarePants. There's a fair bit of corrosion on the battery connections in the battery box there and on the controller. So as a temporary measure, well it may even be permanent the way I do things, I'm going to rig this up so I can run it off a small LiPo battery. So I'm going to put a connector in there so I can plug a battery in. Just one of those small ones I've got from vapes. Just trying to work out how we get in there. Right, I have a rather large number of vapes that I've collected. So using a vape battery is quite convenient. No, I don't think that will make any difference. That's just trim off the side. I think we have to undo them. Well, that was easier than I expected. Okay, so if we want to replace the batteries with a LiPo, and use one of these connectors, and we'll just route it inside and pick up the battery connections. It's not quite big enough to poke the wire through. Okay, I'll just drill a little hole straight through without damaging the receiver. As I say, just going straight onto where the existing battery connections are. Yeah, loads of room there. I'll just turn that all the way around, haven't I? There we go. Okay, find a suitable battery. These are batteries out of vapes that I've already put connectors on. If I stick that one on there. Where's our controller? The lights come on. Okay, that looks good. And because they're nice small batteries, they'll actually fit in there. Right, he seems happy. although he's out of range there. And the lights are staying on as well. When I was running it on the 3 AA batteries, the lights would go out if I put him on the floor. Oh, batteries are falling out of here now. Yeah, I need to do something about these as well because they're corroded, which is why I've got the battery cover off. Yeah, he actually seems happier now. Yeah, okay. I'm wondering whether I dare run this off a single LiPo. It's only supposed to be 3 volts, 2 AA batteries, and your LiPo is, well, 4.5 volts fully charged. So it might blow it up, might overheat it. But at the moment, these keep dropping out, even with the cover on. They're not making good contact. It would be very easy to put a single LiPo in there, but it might overheat it. I could just use a different controller, keep this one as it is, pristine, corroded but pristine, and go and use one of my other 27 megahertz controllers. I have rather a lot of them. Yes, for now I'll just make use of a different controller. It's about the same range. Yeah, that'll do. So I don't really want to go modifying it when it's still in original condition. If I can find some more springs and plates, I might actually replace them. Rather than risk running it on potentially 4 volts instead of 3 volts. It'd probably survive. It would probably be okay. But why risk it? It looks nice. It's the original one. It's very rare that I get a controller with the car when I buy stuff in charity shops. They're usually missing the controller, so I was quite surprised when this one had it. But that one's happy with this controller. And his lights come on. Only in forwards, which is logical, because they're just wired straight across, I think. Yeah. He's fun. I think it's too bouncy, but I've just given it a try with the mini camera out in front. So we'll check the video, but I apologise in advance because I think that'll be bouncing up and down. Oops. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.